Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am actually unboxing some Christmas stuff because we're going to put the tree up and all the decorations up today because it is officially past Halloween. It is time for Christmas. Okay, so the first box we've got from Milkwick, and I got 3 different Christmas candles, and honestly we're going to sell them together because let's do that. So get them out. Okay, the first one we've got here is Christmas tree. It's got Scotch pine, cedarwood and fir leaf blended with clove and amber, which sounds delightful. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And then we've got gingerbread, which is ginger, nutmeg and cinnamon with hints of clove and brown sugar, so very sweet, which is like, that smells like you're literally just cooking, like baking gingerbread or something. Christmas pudding. This is orange, cinnamon, almond and clove blended with malt and vanilla. Really refreshing, actually, for that one. So those are the candles. And then I got a delivery from Pillow Talk, which we're going to be careful with. I love Christmas. Okay, anyways. Alan. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. Have a look at that. So I got 2 tea towels. One's got the gingerbread man on it and candy canes and fun. And the other one is just like, I'm guessing like a gingerbread house type vibe. So Christmassy. And then what else did we get? We got, oh yeah, we got a bunting. So I'll hang this up today. So this is Merry Christmas, but it's in like more of like neutral tones with a bit of red. I think that will look quite nice up on the wall. Nice. I actually forgot what else I got, to be honest. Yeah. What else did I get? Dude, this is like sending me this wrapping. Oh wow, hold please. Wow, that was really wrapped up a bit excessively, if I do say so myself. Oh, that's right. Wait, is that what I think it is? Oh yeah, so show there. Basically, it's the centre is frosted fir and snow gum, and you actually hang these on the Christmas tree, and so then when you're walking past, you'll smell like you've got a real Christmas tree even if you don't. So I was keen to try that, just because, you know, the housemate is saying that you just do that. Hey yo! Okay, and then I think why did I completely forget what I got when I literally got this like a week ago? Oh, okay. This is probably not as exciting for everyone else, but just for like Christmas like wrapping and everything, I bought a set of these Christmas ribbon rolls, which I think are quite nice as well. So I can more neutral tone, a little bit of red, and then so yay! Okay, let's start decorating. Period. Period. Okay, so I wasn't planning on adding this part in, but my next video will be when I'm already back from my 4-week Japan and Korea trip, so it felt only fitting that I include the packing portion in this video. And honestly, let's be real for a second. I packed and unpacked at least 10 times, which you're going to see in this video, but anyway. And in hindsight, yes, I definitely could have packed less, but to keep things in perspective, it is 4 weeks and it's winter, and you always pack heavier in winter. What I truly underestimated though was just how much I was going to buy, but we'll circle back to that later. Whenever I travel with a suitcase, I always use packing cubes. I've learnt the hard way that if I don't, by the end of the trip, my suitcase turns into absolute chaos. Clothes everywhere, nothing folded properly, and somehow I still can't find the one thing I'm looking for. Packing cubes just make everything feel more organized and honestly more manageable, especially on longer trips like this one. My suitcase is from July Luggage, which is an Aussie brand, and I really do love it. The only downside is that it weighs a little bit more than I'd like it to, which you definitely notice when airlines are being strict, but also just for space as well. You feel like, oh, I've actually bought more or I've packed too much because of how heavy it is, but it's actually not even to do with what's in it, it's just the weight of the suitcase itself. Anyway, I realize I haven't really talked about the trip at all, so I'll just give you a quick overview. We're starting in South Korea and we're staying in Seoul only. And if I'm being honest, it's mainly because we want to do a lot of shopping. We're there for about 4 days, just exploring, eating, shopping, and soaking up the city before flying over to Japan, which is the bulk of the trip. Our first stop in Japan is Tokyo, where we're staying for about 4 nights. And I already know that Tokyo is going to be overstimulation final boss. In the best way possible, but still very busy, very loud, and very full on. Which is exactly why after Tokyo we head to Hakone. This part of the trip is intentionally slower, more quiet, more calm. We're staying at a traditional Japanese accommodation, and my Japanese friend will definitely correct me if I say this wrong. And yeah, it's a ryokan, spelled Ryokan. The idea of the stay is really to embrace nature, culture, and just slow down a little. Because as much as I love city life, I know after Tokyo we'll need a break from it. After Hakone, we travel to Nagoya, mainly because my friend has family there, which makes it a really meaningful stop. From there, we head to Osaka, another overstimulation final boss. Then we fly up to Hokkaido, which I'm incredibly excited about. We're going skiing and it'll be the start of the snow season, so I'm really looking forward to that wintry, cozy vibe. After Hokkaido, we fly down to Fukuoka and then back to Osaka again for a concert, because we're seeing 17. If you didn't know, they're a K-pop group and one of my alt groups. I genuinely didn't think I'd be seeing them on this trip. It was very last minute, but I could not be more excited. Although 4 of the members are currently in the military, so it won't be the full group, but still, absolutely worth it. After Osaka, we fly back to Korea for the final 4 days of the trip, and then we head home. So all up, the trip is 26 days, and honestly, it couldn't come any sooner. Anyway, I'll stop talking now and let you enjoy the rest of this packing montage in peace. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.